Hi everyone, I thought I would swatch my Zoya Earth Day purchase for you guys today. Some of these colors you may have seen in other channels swatched, and some of them you may not have, because I don't think I could even find them all swatched. If you don't know about Zoya's Earth Day promotion, I believe it's the same month every year, so it is in April, all of April. Their nail polishes are 50% off. You do have to purchase at least 6 polishes to get them at 50% off. And this year, if you purchased 12, you got one of the Z-wide brushes for every polish color that you purchased. They also had another promotion this year. With the 12 colors purchase, you get a free naked manicure jelly kit. So I'm kind of excited about that. The Earth Day promotion is to get you to purchase healthier polish from Zoya and, thin out your old polish. Get rid of old polishes, maybe polishes that, have the chemicals in them that nobody wants in their nail polishes. But it's really nice of Zoya to do this every year. So, and then this year was just like super exciting because to get the naked manicure kit. Just a little word of warning, if you do order during this sale and you order like middle to the end of the month, it might take a little bit longer for you to receive your order than normally. So mine, actually, I like poured over old Zoya videos, swatch videos, trying to find what colors I wanted. And then by the time I finally placed my order, the jelly cure kits were on back order. But that's okay, because I just back ordered my order. And I just actually got it today. I'm like so excited. I took a vacation day. Well, actually half a vacation day. I worked this morning and then I work from home. And then I got the rest. And when I was done working, I looked at my email and my order was out by the mailbox. So I was really excited to actually jump in and do this today. So let's get started with the swatches. Under all the polishes today, I will be wearing a base coat. This is Janessa, and I have it swatched here. I believe it was 2 coats on the swatch stick. Janessa is described as a soft, pearly white glitter in a semi-sheer base. And it's a shimmery, silvery white. Okay, that's the first coat. This is the second coat. I think it looks pretty good in 2 coats. Slightly sheer, depending on which way you kind of turn your finger. Well, we can go ahead and try 3 coats. I'll try 3 coats. And here is a 3rd coat. Yeah, I think that's much better. I think it's got much more coverage. This is Adele, and this is 3 coats on the swatch stick. This one is described as a soft, creamy, off-white polish with subtle, warm undertones. So here is 1 coat. Oh, that looks pretty good. This looks quite amazing on this first coat. And here is the second coat. And I think it's good in 2 coats. It is supposed to be sheer. If you wanted it a little bit more opaque, you could do a 3rd coat, but I'm just going to leave it here at 2 coats. This is blue, and this is it in 2 coats. This one is described as a pale baby blue cream. One coat looks really good, but I'm going to add a second. And there is 2 coats. This is Kirsten, and here it is in 2 coats. Zoya describes this as a gull gray with a bluish hue. That is 1 coat. It's actually pretty good on 1 coat, but I'm going to put a second one on. And it is 2 coats. This is Abby, and here it is in 2 coats. Abby is described as a light lavender cream. Here is the second coat. It didn't really look like it needed a second coat. This is V, and here it is in 2 coats. This one is described as a muted French lilac cream. This is really good in 1 coat, but I am going to put on a second one. That really doesn't need one. There is 2 coats. This is Jordan, and here it is in 2 coats. Jordan is described as a soft blossom pink cream. And this covers pretty much in 1 coat, but I'm going to put on a second. This is the second coat. This is Missy, and here it is in 2 coats. This one is described as the perfect summer pink. That's really vague. That is 1 coat. It looks like 1 coat does pretty well with a lot of these, but I'm going to throw on a second one. Here is the second coat. This is Rye or Ree, I'm not sure how to pronounce it. This one is described as a cool toned magnolia purple. And this is also a 1 coater. I'll put a second coat on, but I don't think it's going to deepen the color any. This is McKenna, and here it is in 2 coats. This one is described as a almond color with a pearl finish. Here is the second coat. This is Avril, and here it is in 2 coats. One is described as a soft neutral pink with light brown undertones. This one can almost be opaque in one coat, but I'm going to put on a second. This is Rue, and here it is in 2 coats. This one's described as a blush cream, and this is slightly darker than Avril. And this one is a 1-coater. Here is the second coat. This is Jana, and here it is in 2 coats. This one is described as a medium putty cream with gray, mauve, and purple overtones. And this is a 1-coater. Here is the second coat. If you have a favorite from these polishes that I showed you today, let me know in the comments below. If you purchase Zoya and you have an all-time favorite, also let me know in the comments below. I may be adding that to my wish list coming up. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not one of my subscribers, please subscribe. If there's any other videos you want me to do, just let me know also in the comments below. And thank you for watching. Bye for now.